Manchester United got me up and down on an emotional roller coaster. At one point, I felt like I was going through menopause, bro.
One bag of gold medal pan me now.
Yep, that's me. My name is Rome, and this is the Fourth Official. Let's go.
Wagwan, what's up? Hey, this is Rome. You're watching the Fourth Official. Thank you guys for coming on. Go ahead and drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get down to business. So, okay, I know what you're thinking. All right, it's rough. It's hard to believe. Manchester United, after going 2-0 down, just won 3-2 today. That was lovely, bro. It was epic. The game was freaking epic. It was nothing but ups and downs all game, bro. Because the first half wasn't great at all, bro. The first half was shit. And you want to know what? We didn't play well at all. We have players in that team who did not play at all today. They just didn't show up. Are you man out there talk shit about Bruno Fernandes? None of no makes sense. Straight. Bruno Fernandes is integral to Manchester United. All you man talk crap about Van de Beek, about Maguire, man, them nasty it up today. It was the best game Manchester United played in a while. The best second half Manchester United played in a while. I'm loving. Love to see it. Bruno Fernandes, the best central attacking midfielder in the league right now, which means he's the best central attacking midfielder in the world. Write that down. Go on, take a second. Write it down. Remember that. Moving on to the other games. Tottenham, Chelsea. It's just a dead game, bro. Mourinho come for draw. Lampard can't break down the team to save him life. So obviously it ended 0-0, which works out in my favor because I had of the league. So I have a game in hand. So do what you need for do, I'm coming to get you. And of course, dead food Arsenal. How could you forget about them fuckers? All right. As usual, Arsenal really just didn't show up. Wolves came out needing it more. Okay, so today we're going to start off a new little segment that we'll call Wasteman of the Day. And so you might be wondering, who won the coveted real Wasteman of the Day? Well, look no further than the Emirates Stadium to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, bruv. Obama who? Obama Wasteman, bruv. Real Wasteman. They've been screaming for Aubameyang to go in the middle and play as a striker, and they finally did 2 games running, and Aubameyang has been missing, bro. Today in that second half, the last 20 minutes, man looked as if he didn't even want to be there. He just looked like he can't be bothered, like he lost his hunger. Where's the Aubameyang that's been scoring 24, 25 goals for the past 3 seasons, bro? Where are you? Where have you been? Where are you? No, you know why? Arsenal give him this bumper deal and then boom. I don't care anymore. I'm racking in pillows after pillows, bricks pan bricks pan bricks, brick pan brick, brick pan brick, brick pan. Yeah, it's a Jamaican thing. But you know what I mean, right? Man's bringing in funds and he's just not playing anymore. There's no desire to play anymore from this man. So yeah, Aubameyang, yeah, waste man. Obama who? Obama waste man. All right, people. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the thing. Make sure you like the video, share it to whoever. Manners.